Greetings everyone. My name is Nokuphiwa Gama, mostly known as Dr. Pios. Currently, I'm from Kwaluseni at the University of Eswatini. I am a young, proud woman who is passionate about modeling. I joined Miss Siphofaneni because I believe this platform is not only about beauty, but about making a difference in the community. So the impact that I will bring to the community if I am crowned Miss Siphofaneni is to empower young women. I plan to take part at schools, motivation talks, and mentorship programs. And I want young girls to look up to me and say, if she can do it, so can I. I want to appreciate this opportunity and thank you for believing in young women's power. Thank you.